Hi guys, this is some of the stuff we're looking at for the assignment this week. You picked out a poem last week and reflected on it. It's great. This week you're picking a song that is kind of similar to your poem, possibly similar, but you're doing a bit of comparing and contrasting for this week. So the song that you pick, you'll be comparing. You can pick some of the ways that we talked about comparing and contrast earlier in the semester. If you remember, we talked about subject at a time. So you can present a complete picture of your poem and to completely describe it first, and then spend your second paragraph describing your song if you want to do it subject at a time, and then just some concluding remarks in your final paragraph. If you do point by point, you can pick the point of the theme of the song and the poem and compare those at the same time in a little paragraph. Or if you pick the point of when they were written or the words that they pick, and those are different points that you could use for another paragraph. And then likeness difference is the last way that we can compare and contrast. So you can spend a little paragraph talking about how they're similar, and then one, how they're different. And then these options for just kind of using details. You've got themes, word choice. Is it old or is it new? How popular was it? Is it popular? Was it ever popular? Does the song or the poem tell a story or deal with an issue? So those are your kind of options there for what you kind of compare and contrast. And I'm not looking for anything too crazy or fancy with each paragraph, just enough space to give you a little room to find some details.